a very secure and useful communication system, building it from scratch to finish. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are about to embark on a journey together, a journey of building a long-range, low-bandwidth communication system, a potential godsend in the event of a major internet disruption. Remember, we're not saying it's going to happen, but it's always best to be prepared, right? And all you preppers out there, you should definitely watch this video. You're going to find it very, very useful. Our build will consist of 4 major components. First up, as a React front-end application for any smartphone. This will be our user interface, allowing us to type in text data and send it to a remote device. It's the first point of interaction in our communication setup. Our second component is a Bluetooth BLE library. This tool is essential to facilitate the transmission of text from the smartphone to an ESP32, a popular microcontroller that supports BLE or Bluetooth Low Energy. BLE is optimized for low power consumption, which is very important. This makes it ideal for applications where extended battery life is crucial. Plus, it's important for perfect small data transfers and periodic communication, which aligns with our goals. This brings us to the third and major component, the ESP32. This system on a chip is designed specifically for embedded applications. It's armed with a dual-core processor, allowing complex tasks and multitasking. And most importantly, it supports both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. It's like the brain of our build. Check out the Wikipedia page for more details on the ESP32, as it provides a detailed overview of its specifications and features and why it's such a popular choice for our kind of project. You'll find the link below in the description. And what's an ESP32 without a bit of Python? More specifically, MicroPython. It's a lean and efficient implementation of Python 3 that includes a small subset of the Python standard library, and it's optimized to run on microcontrollers like the ESP32. Let's look at this quick reference guide to the MicroPython for ESP32. The quick installation guide for the MicroPython includes installation procedures, the general board control, such as controlling the board itself. It goes into how to connect it to the network. Although we won't be connecting it to the Wi-Fi, we'll be connecting our board to the Bluetooth BLE, which will be described down below. This includes all of the delays and timing on how to use the chip in the most efficient manner possible. Anyway, this guide is a great reference and resource to get up to speed with all of the necessary commands and functions you'll need while programming ESP32 with MicroPython. As for how to program it with MicroPython, there are several IDEs, that's integrated development environments, that have come to my attention that we should use. One of the most popular and easily usable, however, please note that as of now, as for IDEs, we recommend Thonny and Visual Studio Code. While Thonny is great for getting together and started with MicroPython and ESP32, Visual Studio Code is a popular choice among developers. However, please note that as of now, there is no plugin available for a direct connection to ESP32 on Visual Studio Code, such as Thonny has. And finally, our last component, the Simtex SX1276 transceiver. This is the star of our show. It's a low-powered, long-range transceiver. It's designated and designed with power efficiency and communication distance in mind. The SX1276 supports various modulation schemes, including spread spectrum and frequency hopping, which are techniques designed to combat jamming and interception. It's highly robust and operates efficient at high noise environments, often working well below the noise floor. This is the kind of tech that the military uses, and now you will use it as well. After all, who knows when this might come in real handy. In our coming videos, we'll deep dive into each component and start building this incredible communication system. Remember, it's not just a project, it's a potential lifeline. We're looking forward to having you join us on this journey. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on this build. Until next time, keep exploring. In our next video, we will dig even deeper into the project. We're going to start off with a React Expo component, building up the GUI, which will be running on your mobile device. This section will be available to my Patreon users via my patreon.com/JD CrunchTime. So make sure you subscribe so you can get access to that video, because the next video is going to be a very important one, because at that point, we're going to start the coding, we're going to start building up the actual project, starting with the graphic user interface and the engine, which will run on the iPhone and the iPad and the Android or whatever else you happen to have as a device. And remember to subscribe and like to the video so that YouTube can get the impression that we are a real YouTube channel, and ring that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. The music featured in this video is licensed from Epidemic Sound, Squid Stellar Park. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time.